At the tannery, thousands of animals become carefully tracked batches of preserved White Brahman hide. Before tanning begins, every White Brahman hide entering the championship program must prove exactly where it came from.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt process now begins revealing which parts of this enormous hide are actually good enough for a championship strap.
For the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt, even tiny surface defects matter because the center strap must support several heavy metal plates. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt team maps thickness now because the strongest part of the hide must survive every later processing stage. The accepted White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt batch now leaves dry inspection and enters the wet side of the tannery. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt hides are about to be rehydrated after being preserved in salt for transportation.
Thousands of liters of water begin reversing preservation and restoring flexibility to the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt hides.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt soaking stage continues until enough preservation salt has been washed from the fibers. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt hides are flexible again, but their famous pale coat still covers the leather underneath.
Controlled liming begins separating the White Brahman coat from the hide while opening the fibers needed for true leather production.
For the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt, the white coat is finally gone, and the surface that will become black championship leather is exposed for the first time. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt hide now loses everything unnecessary from the flesh side before deeper chemical processing begins. For the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt, the hide chemistry must now move away from strong alkali and back toward a controlled balance. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt batch cannot move forward until the pH reaches the narrow range needed for smooth, workable grain. For the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt, baiting helps refine the grain before the hide enters the stage that prepares it for tanning. Before tanning, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt hides are pickled so the fibers can accept the tanning chemistry evenly.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt hide has reached the point where it is ready to become true leather. Inside this drum, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt material finally crosses the line from hide into leather. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt material is now genuine leather, but it is still carrying far too much water.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt leather is pressed flatter now, so its final thickness can be controlled with precision.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt leather is now shaved to the heavy, uniform thickness needed to carry championship gold.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt has reached its next dramatic transformation. The pale leather is about to turn completely black. The black color is not simply painted onto the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt. It is driven deep into the leather fibers. The famous pale White Brahman material has vanished beneath a deep black finish, the color that will sit behind championship gold. Controlled drying removes water from the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt without sacrificing the strength needed beneath heavy metal plates. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt needs strength, but it also has to bend naturally around a champion's waist. Oil and wax deepen the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt's black finish while keeping the heavy leather flexible. After dozens of industrial steps, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt material finally reveals which section is worthy of the actual strap. From an enormous White Brahman hide, one carefully protected black section has finally been chosen to carry the championship gold. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt leather is stretched flat, so the final strap can later be cut without unwanted waves or distortion. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt has reached the first irreversible step, cutting the final strap from the best section of leather. With each pass of the blade, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt finally takes on its unmistakable shape. For the first time, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt exists as one complete black leather strap. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt cannot feel premium if the cut edges still look raw. Sealing and burnishing turn the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt's raw cut perimeter into a smooth, luxury edge. hidden reinforcement gives the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt enough strength to carry its heaviest gold plate. Heat and pressure give the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt the deep ornamental pattern that will frame the gold plates. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt can now close securely, but its most valuable parts are still completely missing. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt strap is finished, but now the factory must create the massive gold plates that will transform it into a true championship belt. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt's gold centerpiece begins as a thick, completely ordinary slab of brass.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt now gains its identity, one microscopic metal cut at a time.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt's center plate finally exists, but 4 matching side plates still have to be made. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt needs 5 matching plates, so the 4 side pieces are machined as one coordinated set. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt plates are curved before finishing, so the final championship can follow the body naturally. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt cannot be gold-plated until the raw brass beneath it is polished almost perfectly. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt plates now enter the electroplating line, where polished brass receives its championship gold finish. The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt finally has championship gold, but the details that make the design readable are still missing.
Black enamel gives the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt's gold plate the depth and contrast needed to dominate under arena lights.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt now receives the tiny reflective details that will sparkle around its massive gold center plate. One stone at a time, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt starts producing the reflections people expect from championship gold. Before the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt can be assembled, every reflective surface is checked under unforgiving inspection light. For the first time, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt brings its 2 worlds together: deep black leather and championship gold.
Hidden hardware locks the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt's heaviest plate into the reinforced center without sacrificing flexibility. 1 plate becomes 5, and the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt finally gains the full silhouette of a championship.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt is complete, but the factory still has to prove that the heavy finished belt can actually flex and close.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt passes its first real test when thick leather and heavy metal curve together as one piece. The completed White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt may look perfect from a distance, but final quality control examines it millimeter by millimeter. With every plate aligned and every measurement accepted, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt is finally cleared for presentation and dispatch.
After every test, the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt finally enters the case, built to protect its leather and championship gold. Before the case closes, even the smallest fingerprint is removed from the White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt.
The White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belt is now sealed inside its matte black presentation case and protected for transport.
Packed White Brahman Bull Leather Championship belts now leave production protected inside identical cases, cartons, and pallets.
And this is how modern craftsmen transform White Brahman Bull Leather into a luxury Grand Championship belt from start to finish.